Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to create group of contacts in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to do it? Of course, we need to go to contacts first, then we need to go to these three lines here, and now we have groups here. So create a group. We can call it whatever we want. We can also change a ringtone for this specific group. Yes, let's use asteroids, and here we can add members. Let's add these two. Done. Save. And now we have two people in our group that is called work. So when we search our contacts, we will have them all in one place. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.